Today I'm going to show you how to create, edit, and delete accounts in QuickBooks Online. So first you have to go to the chart of accounts by clicking on the gear at the upper right. Click on chart of accounts. And to create a new account, click on the new button at the upper right hand side of your screen. When creating a new account or when creating an account in QuickBooks, you can choose to create either a parent or a sub-account. So right now I'm going to show you how to create a parent account. So first off, select the account type on the list. Select a detail type, and then enter the name of the account. You can also add in a short description on what this account is about, and then click on Save and Close. Now to create a sub-account, click on the New button at the upper right-hand side of the screen again. Select the account type, select the detail type, key in the name of this account, type in a short description on what this account is about, and then tick on Is Sub-Account. You will be required to select a parent account, and just make sure that the parent account that you're about to select has the same account type with the sub-account. And then click on Save and Close. You will see that the sub-account is indented on your chart of accounts, just like that. And the next thing that I'm going to show you is how to edit an account in QuickBooks. So to edit, you have to find the account that you want to edit on the list, and then click on the arrow on the action column. Click on Edit. And from here, you can edit the account type, you can edit the detail type, as well as the name and description of this account. So whatever changes you make will appear real time in your account. So once you are done, just click on Save and Close. And lastly, I'm going to show you how to delete an account in QuickBooks. So to do that, you still have to go to the chart of accounts screen, find the account that you want to delete, click on the arrow on the action column, and then click on Delete. If you have transactions that are added onto this account, there would be an adjusting entry which will be created at the back end once you click on Yes. But since I don't have any transactions that are added on this account, I can just go ahead and click on Yes, and there won't be any adjusting entries created at the back end. And that's it.